And after clicking the link, you now have a chance to win $250 just by clicking this button right here. When you click this button, the roulette will spin, and you will get the prize money as a reward, which you can withdraw later. You can see the 4 possible winning amounts: 5 cents, 25 cents, $2.5, and $250. These are your possibilities. You can land anywhere. So let's go ahead and see if I can actually win $250. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. You are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. So just now, you saw me play a roulette spin game that has the ability to give me $250 for free, and yes, it is 100% legit. Don't worry if you aren't lucky enough. I'm going to show you other features of this website too, where you will most definitely be able to make more than $200. It doesn't matter which country you are from. Just grab a seat and watch this video very carefully, because you are about to be blown away. Before we continue, if you are excited, please make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing. It means a lot. And if you guys are interested to participate in a $1,500 giveaway, just watch this video till the end, and I will explain everything that you need to know to participate in this giveaway of $1,500. Now, let's head back to the video. So the name of the website is called freecash.com. Don't go to the website directly. The link to the website will be given in the description. Just click that, and you will be able to spin the Wheel of Fortune. After clicking on the first link in the description below, just go right here where it says sign up for free and click on sign up with Google. Select your Gmail account or click login, and then you will be redirected back to the free cash site where you will see the free wheel spin. And you can make $250 just by spinning it. Well, it all depends on your luck. And this is the intro clip you were looking at earlier. I won 25 cents. Just like a lucky draw, the chances of getting 5 cents and 25 cents are way more than $2.5 or $250. Go ahead, try your luck by clicking the first link in the description. Please comment down below and let me know how much you won. And don't worry, this spin is just a lucky fun thing. You can actually earn more than $200 from every single account you make on this website. And there is also a bonus trick. Stick to the end to know how to make money on autopilot using this website. So, back to the video. After you have logged in and spun the wheel, just head over to the Earn section located at the top left of this website. Once you are here, you can see what you have to do. You have to choose a task from the many available options, complete the task exactly as it says, and receive the coins. Every 1,000 coins on this website is equal to $1. Now, scroll down a bit, and here you can see the featured offers. These are the most popular tasks in your country right now. You can click on any task which you like. As you can see, if you complete this task, you will get $75. There are many tasks to complete, so start completing them and earn some money. After you have completed the featured tasks, you can scroll down to see the offer wall. There are hundreds of tasks provided by these companies. Open it and start any task you like. And there are also surveys to complete. Once you are happy with the amount you have collected, head over to the Cash Out section located next to the Earn button. Here you can see many different options on how you can withdraw your earnings. If you want to withdraw it in cryptocurrency, the minimum withdrawal amount is just 10 cents. You can also use it to buy a gift card, or even a character skin or gun skin for games like Valorant, Fortnite, etc. And now for the bonus trick, you can get extra money on autopilot by going to the Rewards section. Here you will be able to see your referral link. Just copy it and share it with your friends and family members. You will receive 5% of anything they win in their roulette spin. If you want some extra traffic for your referral links, you can head over to the video that I will be linking in the description, and an info card will come up on the top right of your screen right about now. You can head over there. In that video, I have explained the trick to get extra traffic on your links, which will help you a lot to earn money on autopilot. And yes, I almost forgot. If you guys are interested to participate in a giveaway of $1,500, I will explain everything once again. There is an Easter egg hidden in one of the first 10 uploaded videos. The links of all those videos will be provided in the description. Find the Easter egg and comment that word in the comment section. You can comment on every single video to increase your chances of winning. All the people who are able to find that secret word will enter a lucky draw, and only one lucky winner will receive the prize of $1,500. Happy gunting! And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'm Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.